How did I lose 20 kgs in 10 months? What is the right way of losing weight? Are we humans even designed to carry excess weight? All of these questions will be answered by the end of this video. Now before we jump into the 5 steps, let us first understand some basics of carrying excess weight. 100 years before now, there was no issue of obesity. You would hardly find any obese people. But right now, obesity has become so common. India is one of the top obese countries in the world. And if you just walk out of your house normally, you will clearly notice that every 2 out of 5 people are highly obese. What is the reason for such a big change? The reason is simple. In the last 100 years, our eating habits and lifestyle have also changed completely. And obesity is just a small consequence of it. The 5 steps I'm going to share in this video are very simple. Yet more than 99% of the people do not understand its importance. So let's begin. Number 1. Chew food 32 times. If you ask me for just one step and the most important one, I would recommend you this. Did you know that 50% of the digestion happens in your mouth? The saliva in our mouth has enzymes which helps in breaking down the food. Now if you don't chew your food properly, you're putting more load on your digestive system. So now your digestive system will not be able to digest that food properly, and that excess undigested food will be accumulated as fat. Take small bites, eat slowly, eat patiently. And when I say chew food 32 times, I don't mean 32 times exactly. Let's say you're eating watermelon, you might have to chew it for just 20 times. Let's say you're eating chapati, you might have to chew it for 50 to 60 times. You have to chew food until the time it is broken down completely in your mouth. This step, if you can pull it off, one magic will happen with you. The magic is this: the quantity of food you eat will go down, and it will go down to less than 50%. I know you will not believe this right now, but trust me, this happens. I used to eat about 3 chapatis before, and once I started implementing this, in just a week's time, I was eating about 1.5 chapatis. In 1.5 chapatis, my stomach would feel full, and I just couldn't eat more, even if I wanted to. This clearly means that most of us are overeating. We are eating almost double the amount of food that we require, and overweight will obviously happen. Now can you imagine what will happen next? You are eating just half of what you were eating before. The body will automatically start losing excess weight. No excess food, no excess weight. I'm telling you this from my experience. Your weight will decrease, but your strength and energy levels will increase. So this is the most important step, or one big secret that most people don't know. Point number 2. Avoid junk food and switch to natural food. We all know that junk food has a lot of excess calories, and it is very damaging to our body. Our bodies are not designed to process that kind of food. If you are regularly consuming junk food, you will never lose your excess weight. And when I say switch to natural food, what I mean is start eating more raw food. Now the best way to implement this is replace your breakfast with fruits. And during the whole day, if you are feeling hungry in between, try to eat fruits or sprouts, something raw. Don't eat biscuits, chocolates, or evening chai, whatever. Try to eat 50% raw food and 50% cooked food. Now what is the benefit of raw food? Let us take the example of this papaya. Now if I plant this in the soil, a papaya tree will grow out of it, right? But if I just boil it or steam it or fry it, will a tree come out? No. Why will it not come out? It is because when you cook this, you are killing the life energy in this. When you kill the life energy in this is no more capable of giving a new life. Same thing happens with our own body. I'll eat this papaya after this video. If you eat food full of life energy, you will be alive. If you eat dead food and want to stay alive, it's a little difficult thing. Stop consuming refined sugar, switch to natural sugar, and while cooking, use very less oils and use natural oils.
Show this video to your mom.
The best part about raw food is it has very less calories. That is the reason we call it natural food. Eating whatever nature gives us will never make us fat or unhealthy. The third point is drinking water the right way. Once you get up in the morning on an empty stomach, before brushing your teeth, have 2 to 4 glasses of warm water. Now what it does is it boosts your metabolism and at the same time activates your internal organs, which is very important for losing excess weight. Never combine water with a meal. It is because when you have something, your digestive fire is at its max to digest that food. But if you drink water right after eating, what happens is your digestive fire and your digestive juices are diluted just because you had that water. So what you have to do is right after eating a meal, drink just 1 or 2 sips of water if you feel like, but don't drink a lot of water. About 1.5 to 2 hours after the meal, you can drink water. Or about 30 minutes to 1 hour before eating something, you can drink water. Not in between. Centuries ago, people used to do at least 20 times more physical activity than us right now. And the result is they were really fit. In today's time, there are so many types of physical activity. Find out which of them you like and start doing those. Now, don't tell me that you don't like any of them. So, start doing those and try to stay moderately active throughout the day. Get enough sleep, go to bed in time. Because if you don't get enough rest, your body will start secreting cortisol, which is a stress hormone. And when stress starts increasing in your body, then your body will start becoming a less efficient machine, which means the fat content in your body will start increasing. Sometimes all of us get stressed about things, but if you are stressful most of the time, that is something you need to work on. Maybe you need to work on your mental health, or you need to change your surroundings to fix that problem. Because if you have too much stress, fat loss will be just a dream for you. Also, never have an unrealistic target of losing X kgs in X days. What you have to do is adapt the right habits, the right lifestyle changes, and your body will lose that excess fat at its own pace. Let your body take its time and plan long term. Don't try for just 1 week or 10 days, a very extreme one. Also share this video to all those people who want to do a weight loss the right way. And until next time, my name is Abhishek and thank you so much for watching.